In this video we're going to show you how to remove the front grille and badge from a Tiguan Mk2 that's years 2017 onwards. Tool you'll need for the job is a T25 Torx. Firstly, undo the 4 T25 screws along the top of the grille. So once you've undone the top screws, the grille just pulls towards you. I find it best just starting from one side, grabbing hold of this bar and pulling it. It's really tightly clicked in and it's not easy at this point. It feels like you're going to break the grille and it's not going to go, but it is just clicked in. There's sort of like pegs there, and there, 3 on each side. There is some on the top as well, but they're just locators. They're not stopping the grille coming out at all, so you don't need to worry about the top, it's just the bottom. So grab hold of it, and while you pull, there is a little bit of side to side movement which will help you. So grab hold of the bottom bar and just keep pulling at it and it will go. And work your way along. Once you've got a bit off, you've got a bit more leverage for the others. And that'll come out towards you. This model's got adaptive cruise control, so you can take the plug off the sensor that's in the badge, just push the little tab in and give the sensor the plug a wiggle and that'll come out. And that's the grille removed.